Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Aj hum baat kareng EKA's Chinese motorcycle brand K Bear Mine Jo Apni quality, affordability aur style ki wajah se dunia bar mine bikers ke liye ek interesting choice band chuka hai. Ji han, hum baat kar rahi hain Senke motorcycles ki, jo China ki motorcycle industry ka ek mashhoor naam hai. Senke KIC company hai jo motorcycles, scooters aur mopeds banati hai aur apni customers ko budget friendly k soft reliable rides deen ka wada karti hai. China ka motorcycle market weighs hai kafi bata hai aur ISS market mine Senke ki ek apni unique pehchan hai kyunki ye brand unlogon ke liye bikes banata hai jo style k soft affordability bhi chat hain. Senke motorcycles ki sab bati khasiyat ye hai ke inki bikes youth friendly design rakti hain. Jab off unki motorcycles dekht hota lagta hai ke modern sports bike ki tara styling design ki gay hai. Sharp lines, aggressive looks aur attractive color schemes bikers ko pasand aati hain. Ye brand 50cc se lekar 250cc tak ke models banata hai jism scooters, mopeds aur street bikes sab shamil hain. Senke ki bikes unlogon ke liye best hain jo pali dafa motorcycle lina chat hain ya jo fuel efficiency aur low maintenance bikes pasand kart hain. China ki motorcycle industry mine Senke ne apni innovation aur reliability ke zariye apni jaga bani hai. Unki bikes kafi lightweight hoti hain, jiska matlab hai ke shahar ke traffic mine chalana easy hota hai. Choti engines hone ki wajah se fuel consumption becam hota hai. Johar rider ke liye ek plus point high. Aaj ke zaman mine jahan fuel prices continuously bar rahi hain, IC bikes jo cam fuel leti hain aur daily commute ke liye perfect hoti hain, bikers ke liye ek smart option sabit hoti hain. Senke motorcycles isi wajah se Pakistan, India, Africa aur Europe ke kuch regions mine export bi ki jati hain. Senke scooters bi kafi popular hain kyunki wo lightweight, stylish aur easy to handle hot hain. Youth ke liye scooter ek convenient ride hoti hai aur Senke ne as segment mine be strong entry di hai. Chot scooters, comfortable seating aur reliable performance ki wajah se students aur office going riders ke liye ye ek affordable solution ban gaya hai. Scooters ke soft unki mopeds be rural areas aur chot towns mine ziada shaldi hain kyunki wo maintenance free aur easy to repair hoti hain. Agar hum Senke ki street bikes ki baat karain to unka sporty design aur stylish looks unhain market mine alag banata hai. Company ne apni motorcycles mine modern headlights, disc brakes, alloy wheels aur attractive body graphics di hain jo aaj ke bikers ko pasandat hain. Ye bikes mostly youth oriented hain, lekin affordability ki wajah se har HK riders ke liye suitable hoti hain. Chinese motorcycles ke bear mine aksar kaha jata hai ke inki durability cam hoti hai, lekin Senke ne quality control aur better performance ke zariye as stereotype ko tadna ki koshish ki hai. Senke motorcycles ka engine reliable aur easy to maintain hota hai. Inki bikes on markets mine ziada bikti hain jahan log branded Japanese motorcycles afford nahi car pate. Yahan Senke unhain ek alternative option deta hai jo pocket friendly bi hai aur unki needs bi pori karta hai. Ek aur cause bot ye hai ke Senke ki spare parts availability be better hai kyunki Chinese motorcycle spare parts aksar affordable aur har jaga miljat hain. Dunia ke different regions mine Senke motorcycles ne apna network banaya hai. Africa aur South Asia hesse regions mine jahan daily commute aur affordable transport zarori hai. Senke apni models ke zariye logon ki needs puri karta hai. Iska alawa company apni products ko continuously upgrade karti hai taki ne features aur modern technology ke soft bikers. Ko ek better riding experience da. Aaj ke video ka maksad de apko Senke motorcycles ke bear mine detail dina aur ye samjana ke China ke itna bade motorcycle market mine ye brand q important hai. Agar op ek budget friendly, stylish aur reliable motorcycle search car rahi ho to Senke ke isa naam hai jo op consider car sakti ho. Har bike lover ke liye ye brand ek interesting choice band sakti hai. To dostan, ye ti detail ek aur Chinese brand Senke ke bear mine jo Autoland 2025 ki series ka hissa hai. Apko Yi brand Kaisa Laga Aur Kya Apko Lagta Hai K Sank Bikes Pakistani market mind successful Ho Sakti Hain. Mujhe comments mind Zarur Batayin. Agar Apko video pasand aayi ho to channel ko subscribe karna na bhuliega aur bell icon press karain taki Apko nay updates milti rahain. Main milta hoon apps agli video mine ek nay brand aur nay topic ke saaf. Tab talk ke liye apna kale rakiye. Ride safe and stay tuned with Autoland 2025. I see you in the next video.